Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch video. Today I just wanted to go over a couple of watches that I have in the collection and remind you guys about a contest about a watch that I will be giving away for free. Um, so if you do like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So without further ado, let's get into this. I also wanted to shout out to my current subscribers before I get started. Thank you guys so much for all your support, your likes, your comments, all of your interaction. This channel is growing really fast, and I am so pleased with all of the support that I get from you guys, and I couldn't do it without you. So keep all that love coming, and I will keep more watch videos coming to you. So basically, I just wanted to go over a couple of watches that I have in the collection, and mainly I just wanted to go over um, just a few of them before I let you guys know what you need to do to win one of these watches. I am going to have at the end of the video some instructions on how to enter the contest so you can actually win a watch. And it will be sent to you for free if you are the lucky winner. You do have to subscribe, so make sure you hit that subscribe button before you enter the contest. You do need to be a subscriber, and I will post the instructions at the end of the video on how you can win one of these watches. So I do have a lot of watches coming in today. I will have a big shipment arriving momentarily, and I will be going over those watches. It'll be an unboxing video. And I will let you guys know if there's anything good in that video, but you guys will actually be able to see it as I open it. So basically, I just wanted to go over once again the Olevs brand. I know you guys, if you've watched my videos, you know that I'm a big Olevs fan. I do love my Olevs watches. They are a great quality, budget-friendly watch. They have a lot of different styles. This is an Olevs here. This is an Olevs with a tourbillon. It is an automatic winding watch. Very nice watch with the moving, the exhibition tourbillon with the exhibition back. It's a very nice watch. Olevs does put out a really nice product for a very reasonable price. This is another Olevs here, very beautiful watch. Lots of different watches from the company Olevs. They come out with they have a great product line with a lot of different very classic looking watches. They even go down to the, they've got, the square watches, they've got the round watches, they've even got the Daytona homage watches, and they have the Olevs Rolex Submariner design homage watch. This is actually the watch I will be giving away on the 30th of this month. The 30th of the month is the deadline to enter the contest. So, like I said, I will be posting at the end of this video how you can enter the contest to win one of these watches for yourself. And if you haven't already seen the durability test that I did on this watch last week, want to check out the video. I actually took one of these watches and ran it over several times with a lawnmower, and actually threw it in the swimming pool. So if you want to see what happened to that watch, click on over to the other videos. But these watches are cheap enough, inexpensive enough for you to buy more than one, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you do want to check out what happened to this watch after I basically destroyed it with the lawnmower and threw it in the swimming pool, and see how it held up. The thing with these watches is you don't have to worry if they break or if something happens to them. They are inexpensive enough for you to replace them. That is the good thing about these watches. They look great. They look like a higher end. They look like their higher end counterpart, but you don't have to worry about them in the same way that you do if you spend $5,000 on a watch. So head on over to my other videos, check it out. You will see this watch versus a lawnmower. And like I said, you can buy these. They're very affordable watches. I think somewhere in the neighborhood of $40 for this watch. so you don't have to worry about them if they get damaged. But I will be giving one of these away for free, so stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can enter the contest. So I haven't done any durability tests on any of the other Olevs watches, but I did do some durability tests on these Richard Milles. They're not actual Richard Milles, they're Richard Mille homage watches, and I did take these out with the chainsaw, and you might want to check out that video too. Very good quality watches. They withstand a lot. You don't have to worry about them. Like I said, these are the kinds of watches that you can work on a car with. And if they get scratched or they get damaged, you don't have to worry about it because they're all budget-friendly watches and they can be easily replaced. So, with that said, I'm going to head you guys on over to the instructions to see what you need to do to win one of these watches. It is the Rolex Submariner Homage, made by the company Olevs. Beautiful, beautiful watch. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches. Like I said, I am Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So, till next time, I'll see you in the next watch review video. Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with a contest. One lucky subscriber is going to win this watch. Stay tuned to figure out what you need to do to enter the contest. What I'm giving away is a Rolex Submariner homage watch made by the company Olevs. It is a very beautiful rendition of the Rolex Submariner. Very, very nice quality watch. And it will be shipped directly to one lucky subscriber. All you need to do to enter the contest is be a subscriber, so click that subscribe button right now, and then go into the comment section and post the words "nice watch" in all capital letters, NICEWATCH in all capital letters, and you will be entered to win this watch. All entries must be received by April 30th, 2024, and I must have 1,000 subscribers by then. 1,000 subscribers. If I do not have 1,000 subscribers, there will be no drawing for this watch. So make sure you share this video with as many people as you can, because if I can get up to 1,000 and you've subscribed to the channel and you've posted the comment "nice watch" in all capital letters in the comment section, you will be eligible for the drawing to win this watch. It will be shipped directly to you from Amazon Prime. So once again, subscribe, like the video, subscribe, and post "nice watch" in all capital letters, and share this with as many people as you can to be eligible to win this watch. Till next time, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I believe you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune.